Okay, let's see if I can get. I will try to see if I can get the Ares 1X rocket. It's already launched it. Let's see if I can get it. See if I can get let me see if I can get a close look. I don't know if you can see it from here, from where I am, or maybe it's covered by the clouds, but I know the NASA rocket. Yeah, let me see if yeah, you could see it. I mean, you can see it here. Yes, you can see it. It's NASA's newest rocket, the Ares 1X, which should replace, is supposed to replace eventually the Space Shuttle fleet. And actually this is a test launch of the rocket, so we're just giving a first look for all YouTube viewers on CAA 1000. So there goes the Ares 1X rocket, the newest NASA rocket. That is actually, this is again a test launch of the rocket, but soon you will see this rocket in action. And thanks for watching.